Good morning, this is Jay with your Ocean Surf Shop Surf Report for Thursday, November 10th. We still have some surf this morning. It is running in the waist to stomach high range with an occasional rib high, chest high set. The surf should be decreasing as the day goes on. The surf is clean. The winds are out of the northwest at 3 knots. They will increase later on today out of the northwest at 15 to 20 knots with 25 knot gusts later on this evening and into tonight. We had a high tide this morning at 7:02 a.m. We'll have a low tide at 1:21 p.m. and we'll have another high at 7:24 p.m. The Edisto buoy is reading 7.2 feet with a dominant wave period of 11 seconds. A cold front will push through the area, coastal waters by offshore by tonight, and high pressure will fill in over our waters through early next week. The water temperature is 62 degrees. It is 65 degrees out of the beach right now, and we'll have a high of 72 this afternoon. So there's still some fun surf out here. Come get it while you can before it's gone, and have a great day.